Hello, my name is Jose Lozano, and my presentation will be going over male pregnancy in animals. Now, a quick disclaimer. Male pregnancy is not the same as merely male brooding. I will not be using male brooding as an example in my presentation. In cases of merely male brooding, the eggs that are being incubated by the male are already fertilized by the female. In cases of male pregnancy, it is actually the male who fertilized the eggs. I am saying this because male brooding is very easily confusable with male pregnancy. I want to ensure that so there is no confusion within my presentation. Now that we have that out of the way, what animals are capable of male pregnancies? Well, male pregnancy is exclusive to a certain group of animals known as cynathids. Cynathids consist of animals such as seahorses, sea dragons, and pipefish. Now that we know the type of animals that are capable of male pregnancy, how do they get pregnant? Well, male pregnancy were in some cases, or were in other cases, and more commonly cases, it is actually the male sperm that is being transferred into the female's body. However, in cases of the cynathids, it is actually the female's eggs that are being transported into the male's body. These eggs are being transported into what's known as the brooding pouch, where the males will be fertilizing these eggs almost immediately. Now, what is the brooding pouch and what are its functions? Well, depending on the cynathid, the brooding pouch can reside in its tail or in its abdomen area. And in other cases, the pouch could also be opened, and in other cases, it can be closed. Cases where it is opened, the pouch is exposed to the outside environment, providing it oxygen to the embryos and the zygotes. Now, in cases where the pouch is closed, the pouch acts as sort of a maintenance environment for these zygotes. The way they get oxygen, or a good way to help these embryos and zygotes, is that they're all connected to the male's circulatory system. Now, within these pouches, the maintenance can vary from waste removal all the way to gaseous exchanges. And also, these zygotes and these embryos are also bathed in a liquid known as pouch fluid. Once the offspring are ready to leave the pouch of the male, a certain pressure within the pouch launches them out, sort of like a sneeze. Well, in a sense, you can say that the pouch sneezes out these offspring, letting them out into the outside world. Now, an offspring does not come out immediately with the brooding pouch. The brooding pouch comes with time. It's not something you get just out of the blue. It is something while the cynathid matures, it will eventually get a pouch. Now, once these offsprings are out into the environment, they go in groups rather than alone due to not being in the same safety of the pouch of their father. And that is how male pregnancy is done. Now, thank you for watching. Here are my sources. Have a good day.